Before we move any further, let me talk about this method right here, which is really important. So public, static, void, main, string args. Now, all of this might not make sense to you, and that's because I didn't explain, but hopefully by the end of this course, you will fully understand what all of this means. But for now, all I want you to be aware of is that public static void main, this is a method, and it's a very special method because this method is the main entry point for your Java program. So if you don't have a method called public static void main, then your code will not run. So have a look. If I basically change this from public to, let's just say remove that, you can see that now I cannot run my code. So I can right click, have a look, no way for me to run this code. Also from here, right click, no way to run this code. So if I say public, go back, so now you can see that I can run the code. So it's very important that you always have public static void main, so this method in here, and then whatever code that you have inside, it will be executed. So here, if we run this once more, you can see that we have hello Java. Now, later down this course, you'll understand how to structure your code correctly so that you can have multiple classes, so on and so forth. But for now, all I want you to know is that this is a very special method and it's the main entry point for your application. Now here, you can see that we have public class main. So this can be called anything. So here, if I rename this, so right click, refactor, and then rename, I can say, for example, foo right here, refactor. So this can be anything, literally any name. So if you have this method, then this will be the main entry point and the syntax should be exactly as it is in here. Public static void main, parenthesis, string, and then these square brackets and args. And you can have all of this code inside, and this is what's going to be executed. In here, you see public, static, void, public class, package. Don't worry, I want to teach you all of this in a second. Let me just press Command Z, and I want to have this class named as main. So this is a better name. So main basically means for the main class, which contains the main method. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Otherwise, let's move on.